I would just like to tell you about the new changes that I've recently made to my Patreon account. I've recently made a website and I've put the whole library in there. So we've got all of the written tutorials, that's everything, and everything that I'm going to be making in the future. They're all in that library, and then I've included that into the top tier of Patreon. Are you listening? Are we listening? So we just wanted to let you know that that library is now available to the top tiers on Patreon. Where are you going? Look over here. Yeah, all these people here, they all love you. Look this way, look over here. I know. So I've included all these new videos. We haven't included any videos at all. So I've included all these new tutorials to the top tier of the Patreon top tier. So the Patreon top tier now includes the entire library of my written tutorials. So I've taken pictures of all of them and I'm going to show you on the screen what they are. Right. And this is Gracie, if you didn't know, she's the one who snores through all of my videos, aren't you? Oh, so you'll still get all your ad-free videos, Grace. You'll still have all your ad-free videos and all the other things that we're putting on there, that we've got on there. I'm just including the library into the top tier. I just thought it makes it a bit more fun, a bit more interesting if you've got the library to like go through whenever you feel like you need a bit of inspiration. You can just go and have a mooch and see what new you can find. So I put it all into categories as well. So there's the library and then there's categories. So I've taken pictures and made these little pictures of all the categories. So we'll show you those. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate you all so much. And I'll see you all very soon in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.